Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money from Revolut, a popular digital banking app that allows users to manage their finances and make transactions easily. To get started, you will need to have a Revolut account and the app installed on your mobile device. First, open the Revolut app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard which displays your account balance and recent transactions. To send money, tap on the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the account you want to send money from, such as your current account or credit card. Then, choose the currency you want to send and the recipient's country. You can send money to over 140 countries with Revolut. Now, enter the recipient's details, including their name, email address, and phone number. You can also add a message to the transfer if you want to. If you are sending money to someone who already has a Revolut account, you can simply search for their username or phone number. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to enter the amount you want to send. You can choose to send a fixed amount or the equivalent of a certain amount in the recipient's local currency. Revolut will display the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. Once you have entered all the details, review the transfer summary to make sure everything is correct. Check the recipient's details, the amount you are sending, and the exchange rate. If everything looks good, tap the Send button to complete the transfer. Revolut will then process the transfer and send the money to the recipient. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. The recipient will also receive a notification when they receive the money. It is worth noting that Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees compared to traditional banks. However, fees may apply depending on the type of account you have and the destination country. It is always a good idea to check the fees and exchange rates before making a transfer. In conclusion, sending money from Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and taking advantage of Revolut's competitive exchange rates and low fees, you can send money to friends and family around the world easily and securely.